And the plan for today, I'm gonna get the rest of these garage doors loaded into my trailer. They got dropped off, I think, yesterday or the day before. I loaded some of them that came from the day before that. So let's get the rest of these in here. And then I'm gonna go pick up my buddy Billy, and we're gonna go to one of my honey holes. So ride along, we'll see you when we get there. Get the rest of these doors in there. I wish they were aluminum. They look like aluminum, but they're not aluminum. Let's see, let's get these in here, load it up, go get my buddy, head to the scrap yard just to get rid of this stuff so we can go pick up our honey hole today. Honey hole scrapping today, baby. Somebody hit that door. Looks like somebody might have ran into this door with their car. Hey-ya! Oh man, I know what I didn't do. I did not charge my battery. Oh man, that might be a problem this morning. Charge for 30 minutes before I leave, that's all. 30 minutes before I leave. Oh, let's see what we got here. Hi-ya! Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's get the rails, baby. Uh-oh. I felt that cable. I felt that cable. I knew something was going to happen. I knew something was going to happen. I could feel it. What a literal mess they left me. This stuff. My goodness. Let me get this stuff. I can't believe today is Friday, guys. Today is Friday. Absolutely hard to believe. Boy, didn't take much to get tangled up. All right, so I think I got what I want to get loaded in here from here anyway. And whew, all right, yeah, that's about it. Let's get to the scrapyard with the rest of this, and then we'll go pick up my honey hole. We are at Foss Recycling in Wilmington, and their pile is massive. I mean, this pile is massive. Foss Recycling. I'm not sure where. I've never seen that pile that big. Have you, Billy?
No, it's the first time. Man, that's a lot of damn metal that's been thrown in there.
Wow, that's massive.
Because it was muddy whenever we was coming up in there, and they covered all that. Look at all that.
That's funny. Wow, that's a lot. They got some metal, buddy. Bam! Look at that. That's a massive pile. Wow. Used to be able to back up in between them things way back there.
I know.
Wow. Oh look, somebody's dumped some garage doors just like I'm getting ready to dump.
Been a lot of metal been dropped off.
Man. We have a lot to do today, so I decided just to throw the stuff off instead of dump it, just because I'm worried I won't have enough battery.
Wow, more. Well, I wish this thing wouldn't look good. It was made a night there.
Yeah, I know it. I kind of get them all the time. I get them all the time.
That would be cool. All the way around you.
To the size of the pile at Foss Recycling. I'm talking about massive pile. Look at the size of that garage door. Look at that garage door, Bill. That white, that's the garage doors.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa, that's massive. That is
Crazy.
That's long right there.
It is.
I think maybe everybody brings their scrap metal to Foss. That's a lot of stuff. Heck of a pile right there, buddy. Foss Recycling, Wilmington, North Carolina, Highway 421. Hey, brother. Morning, morning, morning. Beautiful day.
Yes, sir.
It's a beautiful day. Scrap for Grandpa, what's next? Show me the money. Yes, sir, brother. I love it. Uh-oh, my phone's ringing. How did we do on that small load? 9 cents a pound. $57.60. Beautiful stuff. Not bad at all. Foss Recycling, Wilmington, North Carolina. It was $58 dollars. By the way, at 8 cents a pound for shred right now. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Now we're off to my honey hole.